So here we are at Cathedral Falls. It is right outside of Gauley Bridge, and we'll be checking out the Gauley Bridge in a little bit too, but here is Cathedral Falls. You can kind of see it in the distance. It is a canyon waterfall, and let's go check it out.
Bringing back memories, man.
It does. Good memories.
Yep, always will. This will always be a special place.
Yes, as Jason said, this will always be a special place for us because this is where we got married. The walk to the waterfall is not very long at all, maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes tops. And it takes you into this gorgeous canyon area that is just beautiful. It is flowing a little bit more, but not much more.
Can I get around here?
Yeah. There are pictures of this online, like full, flat out, flowing waterfall.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Now, like I said in the opening, this is a canyon waterfall. The drop is about 60 feet, give or take, and it is actually one of the larger ones in West Virginia. Now, this is also noted as the easiest waterfall to access in West Virginia, or one of the easiest, I should say, simply because you go to that parking lot and the waterfall is almost visible from the parking lot, and it's only that 2 or 3 minute walk. The parking lot does fill up. When we actually arrived on this day, it was empty, but before we left, there were tons of people. And it was the same way when we actually got married. It was empty and then it was jam-packed. It's just well worth a visit. I want to get lots of video of this just because it's our place.